Amazing jute craft for home decor. Hello everyone, welcome back. Today we are turning simple jute into a beautiful Xmas decoration. I give you very beautiful ideas. I love crafts like this because they prove that you don't need expensive materials to create something special. With a little creativity, some basic supplies, and a few Xmas touches, an ordinary piece of jute can become a warm and beautiful holiday decoration. So let's begin. First, take your jute and prepare it according to the shape of your craft. Jute has such a lovely natural texture and that rustic look makes it perfect for Xmas decoration. It gives the project a cozy handmade feelings that you simply cannot get from ordinary plastic decoration. Now carefully start supplying shaping the jute. Take your time with this part because the basic shape is what gives our decoration its final look. You don't have to make everything perfectly symmetrical. In fact, those little handmade imperfections are what makes DIY craft so charming. So I continue working. I am thinking about how Xmas decoration are not always about buying something new. Sometimes the most beautiful decoration are the ones we create ourselves. A simple material can become a memorable piece when we put our imagination into it. Next, we are going to add some decorative details. I'm using Xmas inspired elements to give our jute craft a festive appearance. You can use whatever you already have at home. Small ribbons, artificial greenery beads, little ornaments, or other leftover craft materials. And here comes one of my favorite part, adding the Christmas colors. A little red, green, white, or gold can completely transform natural jute. The combination of rustic jute, what festive colors create a beautiful balance between traditional Christmas style and natural home decor. Now let's add another layer of decoration. Don't worry if your design looks simple at first. Craft often come together slowly. One small detail leads to another, and suddenly the whole piece starts looking completely different. This is also a wonderful project for using leftover craft supplies instead of throwing away small pieces of ribbon, old decoration, or unused embellishments. We can give them a second life. And that's what I love the most about handmade crafts, creating something beautiful while reusing what we already have. As the decoration start taking shape, you can already imagine where it could go. It would look lovely near a Xmas tree on a shelf, on a table, or even as part of festive wall arrangement. On a garden, on a tree, wall hanging decor. You can also customize the design according to your own style. If you love a simple rustic look, keep the natural jute visible and add only a few decorations. Only your partner something more glamorous. Add pearl, glitter, metallic details, or sparkling ornaments. There is no strict rules or DIY in DIY crafting. Your creativity is the rule. Now I'm making the final adjustment I'm going to tell you and checking all the little details. This is an important step because sometimes small change can make the entire decoration look more balanced. And look at that. Our simple jute has been transformed into a beautiful Xmas craft. What started as an ordinary natural fiber now has a completely different personality. It feels warm, handmade, festive, and perfect for the holiday season. I also think crafts like this makes more meaningful when we create decoration by hand. We are not just decorating our hands by hands. We are not just decorating our homes, we are creating something connected to our own time, effort, and creativity. Imagine making several of these in different designs and placing them around your home. You could even make them as handmade gifts for friends and family, and you can also sell it on Etsy. If your product is very cute, you can upload photos on social media platforms. And the best part is you can change the colors and decoration to match your Christmas theme. You can customize this for your customer and you can sell it on different types of social media platform. So if you have some juice sitting at home, don't throw it away. Take it out and add a little creativity and see what you can create. I hope this Xmas jute craft has inspired you to make something beautiful with your own hands. If you enjoyed this DIY idea, don't forget to like the video. Share it with someone who loves handmade crafts. Subscribe for more creative and budget-friendly DIY projects. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to subscribe and leave your comment in the comment section. Jute is a natural biodegradable fiber, so it's a great choice for sustainable crafting. Jute is inexpensive and easy to find, making it perfect for budget-friendly Xmas decor. Many jute decoration can store and reuse every Xmas. You can combine jute and old ribbons, cardboard, bottles, fabric, scraps, buttons, and leftover decorations. Jute add warmth and a cozy handmade feel to Xmas decor. You can change the color, shape, ribbons, beads, and ornaments to match your home. Jute craft allow to experiment with texture, pattern, and different designs. A finished jute decoration can become a thoughtful handmade Christmas gift. So, jute craft can used for trees, wreath, table decor, wall decoration, ornaments, and gift wrapping. You can use it many ways. Using leftover craft materials can help reduce household craft waste. Handmade pieces don't have to look exactly like a store-bought decoration. They can have your own personal style. Simple jute products can be a fun creative activity to do together.